What's happening, folks? My next knife review will be on the Boker Magnum Stiletto. So this one, I got it at Budk 10 years ago, and it's still in good shape here. Alright, so here is my next review on the Boker Magnum Stiletto. So this will be my second video review on this from my previous video. If you want to know, I made editing changes to it. But thanks for the good views on it. You still are you guys are always watching it once in a while. So here is my next review on this. So this is the Boker Magnum Stiletto. So Budk, that's where I got it for. I got it for, you know, good budget for 14 bucks. And this is just your average assisted opening. It just opens like that. It's a good, good starter, everyday carry, and utility. It works either way. So I decided to, bring this out again, do an updated review. And yeah, you can get these at any time. Budk, that's where I got this. It's been so long, so I don't think they, have these anymore. Yeah, just another assisted opening. And there you go. There's the deep down pocket clip. Well made. Even if it's made in China, it held up real good. It is made in China, so can't deny that. It's very sharp. That's good. And a decade, owning this, it still have it. Okay, now let me get up here. Yeah, just your average assisted opening. Still, works great every time. For 14 bucks, can't go wrong. Right there says Magnum by Boker. Your usual bayonet blade. Alright, so the usual, say this all the time, recommendations on this. You can still get these at any time, anywhere, but I don't know, for 14 bucks or, 20, depending on, shipping. But yeah, great starter, everyday carry, and utility, works either way. So I got mine on Budk. I don't think they have it anymore. It's been so long. So here it is, a decade later. And yes, my second video review on this from a couple years ago. So thanks for the good views. If you want to know, I made editing changes to the video. So for 14 bucks, anytime, anywhere. Well made. That's good. Something for the budget. Very sharp. Alright, one last strip up here. And still after 10 years owning this, it still works great. Yeah, great starter, everyday carry, and utility, and what do you call that? Collection. There we go. Alright, one last time here so again, 14 bucks or 20. Can't go wrong. Anytime, anywhere. You can get it in a different place now. I got mine on Budk. Alright, I think I covered everything. So yeah, it's still in good, still in good condition after 10 years owning this. And last but not least is the this right here, the aluminum casing. It always comes with this. Yeah, just put it in there. And then there you go. Alright, so I think I said all I can, so this is it. Alright, so I gave you a good review on the Boker Magnum Stiletto that I got on Budk a decade ago. So again, 14 bucks or 20 bucks, can't go wrong. You can still get these. It's a good, like I said, it's a good starter collection, and there you go. You know the rest. I said all I can. So if you come across this, let me know what you think. Hope you like the video review, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.